Hey, welcome to another show today. Today, we're going to draw a dump truck.
Woohoo! Stay tuned!
For the dump truck, you're going to need a
Yellow
and
and
a black.
a black one. Okay, yellow and a black one. But you can really use any color if you want to.
Wow, dump trucks are mostly yellow.
Okay, alright. So I can't use blue?
If you want to,
Okay, thank you. What about worm color?
buddy.
Sorry.
So the first thing you're going to draw is a circle.
Circle. What's going on up there?
And then some...
I think the kitty is running around upstairs.
And then the next thing you're going to have to do is draw some little triangles all around the circle.
Okay, little triangles. Little triangle. That would make a good song, but I don't know the rest of the words. How many sides does a triangle have?
3.
3 sides. Uno, dos, tres.
And now you're going to draw another circle.
Another circle. Circles are round, like pizza. And pizza reminds me of worm pizza. And I love worm pizza!
Buddy.
Sorry, I got overexcited.
This one has like a little thing that you can go across lots of stuff and the wheels and the foot.
We're using our imagination.
Yeah.
Being creative. And you can make up it. Whatever kind of dump truck you want to make up.
Uh-huh.
Yeah.
My dump truck will have a grill, so you can go for walks. That's my imagination, girlie.
Using our imagination. Yeah. That's all I know.
You can't sing the rest of the song?
No, I don't know the rest of the words.
Okay. So we put a line through here.
Okay, I'm following you.
And then...
Go slower. Okay, I got it. All right, tell me more.
And then put another line right here.
Okay.
And then another line over here.
That's a lot of lines.
Okay. And then a line across.
Okay, I got you.
Now we're going to do a little cabin.
Little cabin. Poquito.
But a person can fit in it. So we
Okay.
have to make it big enough.
What about a bird? Can a bird fit in there too?
Yes.
All right.
And then the rest.
Yeah.
Guess what the rest is?
I don't know. Tell me.
It's the bed.
It's a bed. Yeah, so I can sleep in it. Yeah.
No. It's called the bed because it has a big flat part and it's actually where the dirt and sand and rocks goes.
Okay. So you don't actually sleep in the bed. You put rocks in it.
Mm-hmm.
That would be a rocky bed. Yeah. Rocky bed.
So you're going to need to put a line like that, go down this way, do that, and then another line across for the.
Okay. Keep it going.
And next is color time.
Color time. Hey, I love color time. Oh, it's my favorite. What's color time?
Color time is when we color.
Okay, yeah. Okay, get your crayons out. Get your markers. Get your paint set. And color!
This is an easy way to make a dump truck. And check out our other videos and subscribe. And
Have a fun day!
adios, bye!